Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Maps for navigation. So in order to do that, click on this search Google Maps right here and then just put in here a destination that you want to go to. So for example, let's put in here Taal Lake and then you should be able to see in here this Taal Lakes. Head over and click on these directions and then just type in here your starting destination. So for example, let's put in here Imos Cavite. And then in here you should be able to see some directions if you have anything as well. So on some cases some things can't be going to because they're actually seas or just like this one it's a lake, so you can head over to something that is actually being to, like for example this resort right here near the lake itself. You can click on these directions and then just put in here a starting point, and then from in there you should be able to see in here a direction. So as you can see, they will show us this direction. You can do so by clicking on the spike. You can also do this by going using your car, and we have in here this route, and you can also see in here they have alternative route they you can actually choose from. So you can also enable this by depart at, arrive by, and also leave now options. Now you can also explore nearby restaurants, hotels using this particular tool on Google Maps. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try best to